What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to share a project on CapCut PC with other people. So what we want to do is we can click on the three dots on your project. After that, you will see these options. These options you can use to rename, duplicate, delete, or upload a project. We don't want to do any of these actions, but we would like to share the project with other people. So how can we share these projects with other people? Simply what you can do is create your own space. I have created mine, and now you can add people in the right top corner. You can click on add people and you can invite people to enter your own created project space. After people have clicked on this link, they can simply enter your space and use all your projects and change them. Be aware of that. So hopefully this video was helpful and we would like to see you in the next one. Cheers!